Hi, April 14th is National Dolphin Day, so I hope you'll join me in raising a flipper to salute these intelligent and beautiful sea creatures. I'm Rita Goldner, author and illustrator of children's picture books and a real wildlife fan. So today I'm going to celebrate National Dolphin Day by telling you some fun facts about dolphins and also showing you a sketch of a dolphin. You'll just need a regular piece of white paper, computer paper is fine, and a red pencil, and also a regular number 2 black pencil. You could also use a black marker if you'd like, but you don't need it. You also won't need an eraser. In fact, I recommend against it because it'll just confuse the sketch. I'm starting as usual with a reference photo of a dolphin, and I break it up into shapes with a red pencil on top of the photograph. And then I will take those same simple shapes, whether they be circles or squares or ovals, rectangles, whatever, and then just copy those shapes onto a separate piece of white paper. And I can make a million mistakes. It doesn't matter. I don't erase the mistakes. I use them as a guideline so I don't do the same thing twice. And then when I finish copying all the shapes from my reference photo onto the white piece of paper, I'll go over the ones I like in black. Here's a few fun facts. Dolphins have a very poor sense of smell, but excellent hearing. They echolocate with their teeth, not their ears. So I hope you enjoyed learning some little-known facts about a dolphin today, and I hope you sketched along with me. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this kind of video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the little bell below so you'll be notified next time I post a video.